morning, guys. It's July 24th, 2026. We're out here the marsh this morning. We're gonna go run and see if we can draw up some redfish. We had that storm pass through, so the water's up a little bit today. We got partly cloudy skies. We're supposed to have incoming tide till about 10 o'clock this morning, and our bite's supposed to be between 8 and 10. If you like these videos, please subscribe, please hit the thumbs up, and don't forget about next Team JoJo meeting. Come see the flyer at the end. Stay tuned and see how we do. Guys, Boston hooked up on the first one this morning. I don't know what he's got yet. Playing with the anchor rope. Little kitty cat. Alright guys, we done hooked into something here. I don't know what we got. Birds are starting to work though this morning. It doesn't feel big. Hadn't made a run, so I don't think. What do we got? A little kitty cat again? Kitty cat. Yep, another cat. Yep, gaff top. That's good. Alright guys, birds are diving. So far we caught was a catfish underneath them now. May have to switch to a cork and see. They're up high, doesn't seem to be low right now. Hooked into something here. Feels like another kitty cat though. Feels like another kitty cat. What we got? Another kitty cat, huh? Yeah. Yeah, on a cork. Yeah, Puss in Boots, I'm sure. Yep, another old big old kitty cat. Guys, these birds are in an absolute feeding frenzy. There's shrimp jumping all out the water, and they are having a ball. Only problem is the fish ain't not cooperating underneath. Just a bunch of cats right now. Let's see. What we got? What we got? Head's popping. Don't feel like a catfish. I don't know. Let's see what we got. What we got? What we got? What we got here? What is that? What is it? A little croaker? Big croaker. Man. That's a nice croaker there, boss. Pretty croaker there. Yeah. Come on, dude. Nice croaker. Boston hooked into something. Boston hooked into something here, guys. What you got? What you got? Yep, a croaker. La croaker. I got a ladyfish. Come and clean out the water. But we got. He's on there. Boss got something, guys. Uh-oh, diving. He's shaking his head. Diving. Look out. Look out. A mean old gaff top. Two of them, whatever it is. No, one. Red, baby. What you got? Red. It's a red? Yeah. Come on. Well, it's got a red. Yeah, the first red of the day. All right. There you go. Nice one too. About an 18, 19. Boss says he's got another red. Not shaking his head though. It's got a cat in the red.
Cat in the red. Hold on, let me do it. Put him in the boat, boy.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah.
We done hooked into something small. Feels like a, I don't know what the hell it is. It came out the water. So I thought it was a croaker. So we got a little rat red. That's what it is.
Two rat reds.
Two rat reds. Boss got one too. Oh, good hit. Golly. Got one, boss?
Yeah.
There we go. We got him that time, I think. Yep. Another rat red, feels like. I don't know what boss has got. What you got, boss?
Rat red, I guess. Catfish, one of the two.
I got a rat red.
Yep.
Oh, wait, mine might. Yeah, it's a rat red. Rat red. You had a cat? Getting bumped, guys, just not taking it. I got something small, whatever it is. Something small. What? Oh, cool. Did you see the size of that redfish?
The one you got?
No, I don't think so. It came up to hit this thing now. It tried to hit this. Oh. Guys, what we're doing is just tight lining in the tide line, a double rig. 1/16 ounce and a 3/4 ounce. Got a lady fisher ready. Yeah, might be up in you. I don't know. Because I got a fish on, but it's a little one.
Fuck.
He got off?
Popped the line.
Come on. I got a little kitty cat. Still got something, guys. He thought he...
Two. And he popped one of my...
Yeah, one of them popped off?
Yeah.
Yep, that's typical when you get two nice ones. Yeah, nice red. Nice red, boss. Hold on. All right, what I got this time? All right, boss got something, guys. Oh, that's another red. Got another red. Yeah. And I got a small red, rat red. You can leave that off, boss. He's small. It's unhooked into something, guys. Yeah, another nice red. Nice red. Nice red. He's up against the boat. I can't get him. Boston hooked in a, yeah, nice one. Another nice one. I didn't see it, but I can tell by the way his rod's bending. Might be more bigger than we want.
On the 27, we keep them. Two of them. That's what it is.
It's two?
I think so.
I see one. Is there another one? Nah. All right, guys. Guys, we're hooked into something here. Feels like a feels like a little red. All right, guys, it feels like a little red here. I got two. I got a croaker and a cat. Boss got something. See what he's got, guys. What do you got? Another croaker. What we got this time, guys? I don't know. I don't like the way it's fighting. I don't like the way it's fighting. That's for sure. Uh-oh. Maybe he got some energy here. Sounds like a nice red. Sounds like a big red, yes. I see him on the end. He came up to the surface. Nice red.
Net?
Yeah.
Oh, watch your pole. All right.
All right, guys. All right, first nice red on that power prong, guys. Get a shot with them into the birds in the background. There you go. Alright, guys. The birds in the background. Got in. Yeah, 19. I got something on here. Yep, croaker.
Croquette. Croquette.
Shit. Birds are back, guys. Took a little siesta and they came back. Guys, what you get? There's so many ladyfish out here, guys. What you got to do is let the ladyfish kind of hit it and let it go. Hit it and let it go. Hit it and let it go. So, and then leave it down there long enough, the reds will get it. All right, guys. Got me a little flounder here. Come out. All right. All right, guys. Nice little flounder. It's got something hooked, guys. I don't know. Sideways or something. Let's see what we got. What we got. Underneath a croaker. A little small. All right, guys, we're back here at Safe Harbor. It's probably about a little after 10. It was a good morning. Ran into some birds again out in Jack Nevet, Bay Jack Nevet. Redfish wasn't there like there were last time, but we caught some. Wound up with 20 reds, but only 6 keepers. A bunch of rat reds, a bunch of croakers, and 2 flounders. And that was the day. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up. Our next Team JoJo meeting is coming up in August. I think it's August 18th, if I remember right. See the flyer, and it has the date on it. Until next time, guys, as always, tight lines.